one for Anouk for...
So at Slite, we host our public help center in Slite itself. And the benefit of doing that is that it makes it very easy for us to update because it's in Slite and we live there and we are there every day. But it also makes it very easy for our customers. Not only do they have access to something that's well documented, but they also have access to our Ask feature. So instead of having to reach out to our support team, they can already use the Ask function to ask a question about our functionalities and directly get an answer. So another key use case for the support team, besides our public help center, is our internal documentation. And one document in particular I can call out is a document called our FAQ doc. It's a very long document, mostly just text there, but it's been super helpful and instrumental for our team. What we do there is anytime we encounter an issue or something that we need to manually update, we encounter how we need to do that. And then the next time that happens, we can use Ask, and Ask will give us specific instructions on how to combat that issue. The way our internal but also our external documentation impacts customer satisfaction is that we can get back to the customer super fast. First of all, the customers themselves have access to Ask, so they can already find the information on their own. If they do need our support, we're always happy to help. And with the good documentation we have in place, we are able to give them the right information within minutes.